Welcome travelers to a staying home vlog. Today we're going to attempt to make pizza on a pizza stone for the first time ever. We got this pizza stone for the grill when we got Harold a new grill. And look, it came with like the big pizza paddle. It came with a pizza cutter. Get your pizza slice off with it in a pan. And then there's the pizza stone, and Harold has it. You have to warm it up on the grill for like an hour. So it takes a lot of time. And we actually had to watch a couple YouTube videos to figure this thing out because there's no directions. It doesn't come with directions. We've never done this before, so we'll see how this goes. I'm making my pizza dough in my bread maker. I love my bread maker. Harold got me this one for my birthday last year. It's a little smaller. The one I had before was really big. But this is great for making pizza dough, a bread maker. If you like to make pizzas, I highly suggest getting one of these. Alright, we had to pivot because it's raining. So it's going in the oven. And Harold's making his pizza first. That's a big pizza.
Hey,
You like thin crust.
I like thin crust. So if I can stretch it out as much as I can, I'm gonna stretch it out as much as I can.
We're gonna let Harold make pizza first. His pizza is gonna be the guinea pig pizza.
It's gonna be fine.
Now the side I had it on was the side you want to keep it on because it wasn't the sticky side.
Well, they're both kind of sticky. I just flipped it. I put some flour on there.
As long as you when you move it, see if it'll come off the pan.
Oh yeah, it's coming off the pan.
Yeah, you don't want that to stick.
I think I got it. You don't have to beat your pizza up like that.
No, I like a thicker crust. But this is the dough. I split it in two from the bread maker, and we're getting our toppings going here. Got mushrooms and pineapple and pepperoni and cheese. The toppings are all not in one spot in the kitchen. Do you want them all together? What are you putting on yours?
I'm just doing a regular pepperoni pizza.
You don't want mushrooms?
I guess I can put a little bit. What's the sauce?
Cheese sauce. Some pineapple. Is that pineapple? Yeah, that pineapple's still good, right? It would have been, the pineapple on the pizza would have been good on the grill, but boo, it's raining. It's raining.
Blame on the rain. Sorry. I just watched that documentary the other day, so all stuck in my head.
I would think with this you wouldn't want it too heavy with toppings either, right? I don't know. We've never done this before.
You're just cooking it on top of a stone instead of...
It's all experimental here.
Instead of the regular pan, metal pan, you know?
Yeah, we've never done this before.
Oh, let me do cheese.
I think we're making more of a mess than anything else.
It's all good. Could have done that over here on the counter, but...
Oh yeah, kitchen on the counter instead of on the stove top.
Mm-hmm.
Oh well. Making it like we're like professionals here in our pizza parlor in our kitchen.
Extra cheese.
Extra cheese. Yeah, put some vegetables on that pizza. Alright, pizza's ready. I hope it comes off of there now.
Alright.
Here's the true test.
Oh, it'll come out. It'll come out.
You might have to help it a little. It's hot in there though.
It's very hot in there. Get these dogs out of the way. Yeah.
That's the problem. You got to get it off the pan.
It's gotta go down. Hold on. Get my
It's moving.
There you go.
It's moving.
It's moving.
There you go.
Bam!
What?
I got it.
You did it!
Alright, make sure I got it.
Look, it's already, like, you can see that pepperoni cooking. Because it's so hot in there.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
That looks like a brick oven pizzeria pizza. I think this is the best thing we've ever bought.
It was the worth what? How much did we pay for this?
$50.
$50?
It was worth it. That's the best thing we ever bought at Home Depot.
Right.
Wow! Look at that pizza. Look at that crust, that dough.
That's my pizza.
Yep, that's
Pepperoni
your pizza.
You can try. I might try one of your veggie ones out. What do you think of the crust? You think I can throw it in there for me? Because the cheese pretty much looks pretty cool.
Ooh, it's pretty crispy.
See how crispy that is?
That is crispy.
I almost want to throw it in there for another second or two. Because I like it.
You sure?
Yeah. Let's first.
That's a pizzeria style pizza if I ever saw one. Yeah.
Where's the flour? Put it back
So put it back on. Look at that. That's a good looking pizza. Alright, we let it cool. Let's see. Let's hear the crunch. Ooh, you hear the crunch.
Alright.
The real test is when you pick up a slice, see if it's like a droopy or if it holds up.
No, I mean, it's been sitting there.
We were thinking, like, is this artisanal pizza? Pizzeria pizza? We don't know. You let us know in the comments down below what it is. I think maybe artisanal pizza is like fresh ingredients. I don't know. Oh yeah, it looks good.
Looks like a pizza.
When you pick it up, we want to see show if it's floppy or not.
Oh, it just looks like a normal pizza.
But it's holding up on the toppings are holding up on the pizza.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
The dog just burped.
Yeah, that was the dog. That was me. Not bad
Yeah.
for my first.
Pizza on the pizza stone in the oven. Now, I can't wait to see what it's gonna turn out like on the grill next, whenever we can grill it.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, this dog is so crazy with these balls that I have put it up here on top of the pillow for him to grab. And I don't know if you can see this, but he ran into the wall so hard and hit it with his nose. He put a dent in the wall to get this ball. He's nuts. If you have a dachshund, don't ever get them these little emoji balls. They go insane for these things. Look at him. Crazy over that ball. I call it his emotional support ball. Okay, it's time for the veggie pizza. I wasn't very good at stretching the dough. Harold has to help me stretch the dough.
That's pretty good. Whoa.
Careful.
All right. That's good. What do you think?
How much sauce did you put on yours?
I don't know. You saw how much I took.
Was it like really saucy?
Depends how saucy you like yours.
Well, I'm worried if I make it too heavy, it won't come off.
Yeah, you don't want to put too much sauce.
But I like some sauce.
Sauce is fine.
I like sauce. I like a little pizza with my sauce.
You want to taste some of that red sauce when you take a bite, for sure.
This is organic pizza sauce from Target. We don't make homemade sauce. Maybe that should be our next experiment. No.
If we grow some tomatoes, maybe.
I do have some tomato plants out there, but right now they're just like little. There's not much to them. All right, I think that's enough sauce. You put a good amount of cheese on yours, and it doesn't look too heavy.
That's right. Load it up.
Load it up.
Extra cheese.
We got one
That's
vegetarian.
all you need.
One vegetarian pizza and one meat pizza.
Cheese flavor.
Yeah.
People that like that tarty cheese flavor.
See, we'll see how mine turns out because mushrooms, the stuff I'm putting on here is kind of watery. Like mushrooms and
That's okay. It's still going to turn out good.
Oh, I know a lot of people right now are going to be like, oh, no, you don't put pineapple on pizza.
Yeah, there's a lot of people that's a blasphemy.
This is like a huge debate.
Yeah, that's blasphemy right now. Putting pineapple. The
No.
only time you put pineapple on pizza is if you're gonna throw some ham on that and make it like a actual Hawaiian type pizza. But
No, I'm doing it vegetarian. Mine's pineapple and
so
these are sweet peppers we get from our little Italian bakery in town, which I will have to do a video of that.
Tofino's.
We have to do a video of Tofino's.
Yep.
Definitely in the making. Coming
If you visit Myrtle Beach area, you gotta go to Tofino's.
Gotta go. All right.
All right. My turn.
I'll let the man put it in the oven. Hopefully it'll come off.
It's gonna be a pain in the butt.
No.
Oh no.
Yours came out good and mine's not gonna come off.
Why not?
I made it.
Put a bunch of flour.
I made it too saucy.
No.
We'll get it off.
I don't know, babe. I don't know. It won't move.
It's not moving. Oh no. What do we do?
I'm trying to think. Stop recording.
This is real. This is the real
What
stuff.
do we do? It's gonna break apart.
This is the
Let me see. Okay, let's put some flour on this, and maybe if I can rub some flour under the pizza, I can get it to loosen up. You know?
This is problem solving here.
Hold on. It's gotta be.
Maybe we should have finished watching that YouTube video of the guy was like, what do you do when you forget the flour?
The goal is
to get it off. Oh, now the flour's falling on the dog.
to flour the pizza under here in hopes
Oh
that it loosens
no.
up.
Pretzel! He's licking the flour off his emoji balls.
Well, I don't know what's gonna happen to him.
I don't know if that's good for dogs or not.
Dry flour, I don't know.
I don't know either. This is... Okay. See, I said I was putting on stuff that was more wet.
Doesn't matter. I think I probably didn't put enough
Flour on it when you were stretching it.
When I was stretching it, yeah.
Oh no.
But it's user error for sure.
Yeah. Move, Parker, move!
Because earlier.
Dog's under.
Yeah, it's moving now.
It's
See?
moving, it's moving.
See, it's moving.
Move,
Now.
Parker!
Y'all saw what I did, right? If you make that stupid mistake I did, you start hopefully putting some flour under your thing.
We did it! But don't drop it on your dogs. And it's all... But we did it! Alright, we're gonna turn it. It's not looking too watery.
Oh no, it's pretty good.
It's not too bad. It smells delicious in here. I wish you guys could smell it. It definitely smells like a pizzeria in here.
You know what?
good sized pizza. It's like a large to medium, medium to large.
Medium, yeah. Medium.
Yeah, not bad. It's beeping.
Whoa, look at that. I think
Ooh,
this.
that's definitely done.
I think
Look at the bubbles.
Look at the bubbles. Look at the crust, nice and brown.
Ooh, that's a pretty looking pizza.
That's a pretty looking pizza right there for being the stone.
I think if you're definitely gonna do this in the South, do it at nighttime, not during the day when it's scalding hot outside.
Turn off the oven.
Because
Oven off.
the oven has to be so hot.
Look at that.
That's a good looking pizza. Mmm.
No, it's sad.
Please, please, sir, can I have some pizza? Shh, them puppy dog eyes.
All right, let's cut this sucker up. I would like this cut out. It's not super. It's not perfect round because this is home style pizza.
Yeah.
That's how you know.
Hear the crunch though.
Oh.
Got that nice crunch. Ooh, look at the steam coming out of that. Woo.
Ooh, I should have waited a little more for the the cheese to sit. Yeah, because they're getting.
Oh yeah, my
squished.
the cheese getting all messed up in the middle. Oh, fix it.
Fix it. It's gonna let it sit a little bit because it's freaking steaming hot anyway.
Yeah, the steam's coming out of that. That is crazy.
Shoot, when you're cooking at 550 degrees, heck yeah.
Yeah, I used to work at Pizza Hut, and we had this big, huge cutter, and you would cut them right when they came out of the oven. It was like huge. It would cut across the whole pizza.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you should buy one of those.
I had one of the, well, that's what we used back in the day.
Buy
You
one
could
of
cut
those.
them right out of the pizza oven.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That's it. You're done.
Yup. Okay, I think my pizza's cooled down, so I'm gonna take a bite. Look, it's not a very floppy crust. It's holding up pretty well, because my toppings were a little bit more soggy. Take a bite. That's really good. I don't think I'll make pizza any other way now, except for on a pizza stone. I don't know how I lived without it for this long. I would say that experiment was definitely a success. Never made pizza on a pizza stone before, and I don't think I'll try it any other way again for that homemade pizza. Turned out perfect. And remember, if you can imagine it, we can create it.